one Arab actually sent this question to Zur. He says that Hazrat Ibrahim, from the Holy Quran it is clear that Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam broke the idols of the non-believers. So the questioner says it could be more logical that if instead of breaking the idols, had he gone just for preaching and had he adopted in a different way, that could be more logical and acceptable.
This is amazing. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam has a special way of argumentation. I have never heard of anybody else who could argue so powerfully and so strongly. So he broke the idols, but did not break the eldest of them, the oldest, the biggest of them. So when people came to learn that Ibrahim has broken the idols and destroyed them, they ran towards him and asked him, "Why have you broken the idols?" He said, "The elder of them is standing before you, so ask him. If he sees, he will tell you who broke and why." So that was a very strong argument on the part of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam.